Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to find and install Mediterranean app on your iPhone. So first thing first, open App Store. Click on the blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple account. Then click on the search button right here. And in the search bar, type in Mediterranean app and go search right here. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find the app. So click on that, then click Get, then Install, then confirm installation through Face ID or Touch ID, or using password from your Apple account. So now it's all done. The app is only 26.7 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.